how to add a Snapchat shortcut to the control center on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up the control center. Then tap on the add button. Tap on the add button. Once you are in an edit mode, tap on add a control. Now from here, scroll down. Now scroll down until you see it says Snapchat. Then tap on the Snapchat icon. Then it will be added to your control center. Now if you want to remove it, just simply go into an edit mode. Then tap on the remove button and then swipe up to save the changes. And when you want to quickly open up Snapchat, you can pull down the control center and then open Snapchat. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.